Did you know that we're losing nature faster than ever before in human history? But at COP15 in Montreal, the biodiversity COP, countries agreed on a plan to change that. It's called the Global Biodiversity Framework, and it sets a goal of protecting 30% of the world's land and seas by 2030. It means that governments understand that nature is our life support system and that we need it for our future. At the heart of the agreement is the goal of protecting 30% of the planet by 2030. The aim is to protect 30% each of land, freshwater, and marine areas, especially those places that are most important for biodiversity and ecosystem services. Really importantly, the agreement recognizes the rights and territories of Indigenous peoples and local communities. It also has an ambitious funding plan attached to it. But there's more that we need to do. Especially, we need to be thinking about the other 70% of the planet, where we live and work, and where our food and goods are produced, and make sure that that is sustainably managed. The Global Biodiversity Framework means that the biodiversity crisis is no longer a silent crisis, and that we have a roadmap to protect it. Really, the hard work starts now.